Okay, let's try this again. In a different mode. On the camera. This is take 2. Trial and error. The microphone is still in my mouth, so I need to change that, but I don't have any more tape to change the location of it, so I guess I'm just going to have to eat it until I get back home. I should have probably looked at the radar because it's looking mighty rain cloudy. I feel like this is a test. I know I'm gonna get rained on. I'm gonna be so pissed. I should have looked at the radar. Why didn't I look at the radar? Velcro together. Stupid roundabout in the most weird place in the middle of a cornfield. This thing's way more fun than that stupid Harley. This makes me want to sell the Harley. And then I get on the stupid Harley and ride it to work with saddlebags. Got my lunchbox in there. All my things. Just cruising. And I'm like, okay, yeah. I guess they each have their time and place. This thing is way more fun. What's that noise? Here's some clacking around. Shouldn't be anything clacking. I just did a track day and had 0 problems. Just changed the oil, did the coolant, did the brakes, brake fluid. This thing's tip-top shape. I'm heading right into the rain clouds here and complaining about not wanting to get rained on, and I'm going, just guy gonna cut in front of me, cut over on top of me. Oh, this is a turn-only lane. I screwed that up. That was my fault. Oh well. Oh my God. I've ridden the Harley to work the last 4 days in a row. And this thing is... oh. This thing's... it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. They sell these things to people. They let them ride on the street. It's bananas. It's bananas. I hope it doesn't rain. really should check the radar. Everything in me is saying turn around and head back home before you get wet. But I just love riding this thing. And I haven't ridden it in so long. I'm surprised it started. I guess the lithium battery for the win, right? Should I go around him? I want to go around him. I can zip around him in 2 seconds. Should I go around him? Should I go around him? Should I go around him? I know I shouldn't, but I want to. I'll wait. I'm trying not to ride like an idiot. I'm trying to ride like I've got some sense. Trying to ride like I have a wife and child at home. Every fiber in my body wants to zip around this person and go fast. Whatever this is on the road is making me a nervous wreck. 3 of us crashed at Deal's Gap, running nose to tail on a minivan transmission fluid. The minivan blew up its transmission, put fluid down all over the road, and we all crashed on it. Oh my God, this thing is... Holy smokes, this thing's bananas. I just don't trust the streets at all. I don't trust the cars. I don't trust the pavement. I don't trust the reindeer running out. What is this? People blowing grass out into the street. Oh my God. That's street riding. Come around the corner. Construction shit. Guy with a stop sign. I used to run these roads at midnight at breakneck speeds with tiny little Pia headlights on a race bike. I'm an idiot. How am I still alive? Oh my God. Okay, I'm done with this. Head back to the house, test ride with the cameras over. Is this... I thought it was raining. Okay. I don't trust this at all. Oh. Like, I don't trust these blind corners at all. I don't know what the heck this guy's doing, but he's on the brakes. What are you doing? That's dangerous. street riding. I hate street riding. This is ridiculous. I'm so nervous. I've done hundreds of thousands of miles over 3 decades. And I just hate it. Once you go to the... What are you doing? What's this guy doing? Once you go to the track, you do a bunch of track days. These things just aren't fun on the street. You can't push at all. Although it is fun. I said it's not, but it really is. It's a boatload of fun. Okay, I just need you to get out of the way so I can head to the house. $20 mph for school. I will respect that. Try to do 20 miles an hour. It's nearly impossible in this thing. Trust the pavement to be clean and cars not to be in my lane. I just don't trust street riding at all. Look at this guy. I mean, hell, you might as well come on out, bud. Alright. They were there first. That was probably their turn. I went anyway. That's the way it is. Okay, I'm just gonna head to the house. Before it starts raining. It's hot. Can I open this visor with this crazy chin camera? I can't get the visor open. I didn't get a tornado. Awesome. Love that. Looks like I'm going to invoke the dead red law that Indiana has in fogging up, which is after you sit at a light for 120 seconds on a motorcycle, you can legally go. You can legally proceed with caution. I have an arrow now. Huh, okay. Interesting. miles. Oh, there's a sheriff. A Sharif. 80 miles an hour on the stupid Harley. And it feels like, I hope he's not gonna, 80 miles an hour on the stupid Harley feels like, it feels like you're gonna, it feels like you're really doing something. It feels like you're really getting after it. On this thing, it's absolutely nothing.